Oh, hey, I'm Carrie Lawless, and on today's Home Staging New Orleans, I'm going to show you how we transformed the front of this house and made it really inviting for buyers. Stay with us. How would you like to win a free t-shirt? Look at this thing. It's adorable. It's so fashionable. It's exclusive and it's for you if you are the winning comment winner. So make sure to comment below. Tell me what your favorite feature of this transformation was. We're going to pick our favorite comment and we are going to send a t-shirt to you. All right, we're back. Come on in. Can't wait to show you these front 3 rooms. I love how they came out. So of course we're starting in the foyer, and this foyer is not open to the rest of the house, but what I like about that is it gives us a wall immediately when you walk in, and we can create something really pretty for a first impression. So we used a piece of abstract art, we used a table, it really wasn't the right color, so we did a little paint treatment on it and matched the grays that are here, and then added a couple of lamps, super cozy. Then the front door was a very yellow and it just didn't make the best impression. So we have a link to the tutorial of how we did this on a different house, same paint treatment, and we just made it nice, dark, and rich. All right, let's go look at the dining room. We're in the dining room now, and we actually did quite a bit in this room. The wall color was like a deep kind of gold color, and what we did was we painted everything a very light neutral color. We did the whole downstairs one color, and I really like how neutral it is and how it came out. The other thing was we had this chair rail, and that little piece of molding up there was all painted bright white. What that does visually is it shortens the height of a room. It's just a little trick of the eye. So what we did was we took the paint color and we went from the baseboard all the way up to the crown molding, made it one color, and it visually heightened the room. So I love how that came out. And then we changed the light fixture. We wanted something that looked a little bit more modern and less kind of ornate. So we changed that out. That wasn't much at all. I think that light fixture was $60. And then we just went ahead and decorated with some modern contemporary art and just put a few little pretty things on the table. All right, let me show you the next room. It's one of my favorites. Hey, did you know that I'm a licensed realtor? And if you're looking to get your home sold anywhere in the United States, I can definitely help you with that. And if you're looking to buy your dream home, I can help you with that as well. I have an entire network of partner agents all over this country that will team up with me, and then we team up with you and help you reach your real estate goals, whatever they may be. So if you're interested in working with me to get your home sold or buy your dream home, check out the link in the description, fill out this little form, and I will get right back with you. All right, on with the rest of the video. Okay, from the foyer to the other direction is this living room. This is the formal living, and I love this space. Wow, what a transformation. So the first thing I want to talk about is we had some dark wood here. From the chair rail down was all very dark stained wood, really dated the space. In addition to that, it had some decorative molding on the inside that made it even more dated. So we took that molding off, filled in all the holes, spackled it, and painted it the same color from top to bottom. It took it from outdated to modern farmhouse instantly, and now we love this molding and how it looks. It's amazing how a little bitty change like that can make such a difference. The other thing we did was we had these very decorative white spindles here, and we took those out, and then we put the black iron. We also put little black iron details every third spindle, and totally changed the space. So these we just got at Home Depot, and it made a huge difference. All right, now the other thing we did, this was a really dark brick wall, and we needed to lighten up the space. What we normally do to lighten up a space is we whitewash the brick. Whitewashing brick turns it gray. This whole color palette is very warm, and we did not want to fight against it. You want to work with what you have. So we've got the yellow oak floors. So I took Waverly Cashew chalk paint and I color washed this entire brick wall. In addition to that, we had the dark wood mantle and the dark wood molding around the windows, and we went ahead and just painted that all the same color as the wall. It brought it all together, gave it a very cohesive, warm feel. And now when you walk in, this is your focal point and it looks amazing. In addition, we put a mirror here. We tried all kinds of art. And because the brick is kind of busy, even though it's color washed, it's still a little busy. Every piece of art we put up there fought with what we had going on. So we went with a mirror, and then we just took these two planters and we actually put these together. Just put some greenery and some sticks, and then we still had the space on the left and right. That was really tough because we had to bring it together where it felt like it was part of the room, but it was just too much space to leave undone. So I went to Habitat for Humanity. Don't know if you have one, but if you have a Habitat thrift store, it can be some of the best sources of great finds, furniture and otherwise. I want to say these two big giant chairs, I mean, look at this. Look at what a great chair this is. I think they were $40 a piece, and we actually found 3 of them. I've got one in the other room. All right, now on to this side. I told you, a lot happened in this room. Okay, so this was one of my Facebook Marketplace finds. One of my favorite sofas. Look at this nail head trim. So beautiful. We put some really beautiful pillows here. We didn't want to go bright with the color. We just stayed very neutral here. And then these 2 chairs came from Tuesday Morning. So this came out really nice. The rug came from Ross. And then also from Habitat, I got this bookcase. This was like a cherry color. Didn't go with anything that we had, but I think I paid $20 for this. And we did a paint treatment on this and this coffee table, which was also another thrift find. And we're gonna link the description to the paint treatment that we used on these 2 pieces in the description as well. So lots of DIYs going on here. I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. One of the things that is super, super important is your lighting. So whether you're staging a house to sell or whether it's just for you to live there, you really have to understand how comfortable a space can be or how uncomfortable it can be based on the light that you have in the room. You want soft or warm light, not cool. Cool is blue and it's very uncomfortable, kind of like a dentist office, you know? So there was not enough light, so we went ahead and changed it all to the warm lights. And then we brought in this lamp. We got this from Home Depot, one of my favorites, because it gives you the opportunity to put 300-watt soft white LED bulbs, and look how it lights up the corner of this room. And then we put 2 lamps over here and flanked this big piece of art on the wall. And I think it came together really well. Now, one of the things I do, I know a lot of people hate artificial plants. I use them all the time, so I guess it's just a preference, and I don't believe there's a right or wrong in it, but I went ahead and put this fiddle leaf plant. Home Goods has been a really good source of these lately. I think I paid around $100 or maybe $129 for this plant. Look how it just warms up the space, brings the eye up, and adds a little pop of green color over there. So I think that's about it for this transformation. I sure hope you've enjoyed it. This is just episode 1 from this beautiful home that we've done. This home is so big. We're gonna have 4 episodes, so be sure to be on the lookout for the next several episodes. My name is Carrie Lawless. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of great content coming up for you.